Lumayas na ang Chinese vessel na sangkot sa pamamalo sa mga tropang Pinoy sa Ayungin Shoal. Pero di raw dito nagtatapos ang pambubuli ng China. Narito ang agenda report ni George Cahiles.
Umalis na ang Chinese Coast Guard vessel sa Ayungin Shoal matapos gumawa ng gulo kung saan nasaktan ang dalawang sundalong Pinoy na nakadestino sa BRP Sierra Madre.
As of this morning, the China Coast Guard ship that launched the boat that approached the BRP Sierra Madre has left Ayungin Shoal. So it left just this morning around 8 in the morning, and it seems to be on its way back to Mischief Reef.
Pero sinabi ni Sea Light Foundation Executive Director Ray Powell sa At the Forefront ng Billionaire News Channel na hindi pa tapos ang panghihimasok ng China sa West Philippine Sea.
These are all part of a long-term campaign that's really extended over 5 decades for China to control maritime East Asia, right? And so this is not just the West Philippine Sea. It's the Taiwan Strait. It's now the Bashi Channel and east of Batanes. It's going all the way north to the Sea of Japan and the Yellow Sea. Understanding that this is all linked together as a push outward by China.
Payo niya sa gobyerno, ipagpatuloy ang pagpapalakas ng Armed Forces of the Philippines.
The more important responses as we go forward will continue to be the pledges of material support to the Philippines, not just things like joint patrols or gifts of boats and ships that have been coming, pledges of money from the United States. All of these things are things that the Philippines needs to become a more credible force and to present a more credible deterrent.
Umani ng batikos ang China mula sa international community matapos ang engkwentro sa pagitan ng Philippine Navy at Chinese Coast Guard sa Ayungin Shoal. Para sa agenda, George Cahiles, Billionaire News Channel.
Mag-follow sa aming mga social media accounts at mag-subscribe sa aming YouTube channel para sa pinakahuli at eksklusibong mga balita.